everyone, welcome to my channel, Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I have to show you how I make a roast pork loin stuffed with garlic. It's a very nice recipe, great idea for dinner. I hope you like it. I have 2 pounds pork loin. This is the inside of the pork. It's difficult to make the pork loin or roast because the problem is dry, where it's not made correct. And I think so the best part for the pork loin, from my experience, is at this side of the pork with a little bit of red meat. Pork loin will be very juicy. So the first part, salt. I have 4 cloves of garlic, so I make the holes and insert I cut the garlic in half, so it'll be easier to insert the make holes and just like this. The piece of garlic inside to make more flavor. Insert it. Very tasty roast. If you like more garlic, you can put more garlic. 4 cloves is enough for me. Next part, make this a little bit spicy. Cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon. Red paprika. Always looks nice. 1 teaspoon is enough. Black pepper. Half a teaspoon, and today I use thyme. Only about 1 tablespoon to just cover nicely pork. And I will roast the pork in oven for about 1 hour, temperature 400 degrees. Some I have nice avocado oil. Looks beautiful. After half an hour, I cover a roast with the foil and roast for half a more hour. Roast pork with garlic is done, but now I have to wait 20 more minutes. Meat has to rest after the baking. I don't wanna lose all the juices from the roast. Pork roast with the garlic is done. If you like this video, give me thumb up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and to be the first to get new recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Smacznego. And this is my proposition for dinner. Green beans and with carrot, satay with breadcrumbs. Make this recipe, you can find on my channel. Roast pork with garlic and pesto balls.